Welcome back. Ceigall India has made its debut on the street today, listing at a price of about 419 rupees on the NSE, a premium of about 4.5% to the issue price. Right now, the stock's holding up above 400, just around 403. We have Ramneek Sehgal, Managing Director of the company, joining in. Mr. Sehgal, good to have you on. I remember, our chat when the IPO was open. So now that you've listed, congratulations, first of all. Let's talk numbers. We discussed your order book position and how you're looking to grow the ham side earlier. Now give us some visibility on execution and revenues. What is a steady state revenue growth that you will target over this year, FY25, and also FY26?
First of all, thank you so much for having me over. And, it was such a great day, and we did our ringing the bell ceremony today, and it was great. Thanks to all my investors, my financial partners, my employees, who are actually my strength. So if you talk about order book value, we had about 9,400 crore. We have just got two more. We've been L1 in two more tenders now. One is we've added another state. We should get a LOA very soon. That's Bhubaneswar Metro for 899 crores. Another state is added. And another one is a small project which is in Kanpur, which we have to develop. That's a building work. That's a small project under 200 crores for building that 3 to 4 acre infrastructure, and that'll be for lease for 90 years. And the targeted IRR, what we have quoted in that project, is close to 20% equity IRR. So it's going to be a great journey. I always used to say, and I still say, Ceigall 2.0 is there now after the IPO, and sky is the limit for us. And we are a young company. The journey is yet to begin. You have always seen our growth rate over the years, and the care has given that in the industry.
Mr. Sehgal, absolutely, yes. I'm sure you have a very promising order book. We've seen that. We've discussed that in the past as well. Let's talk revenue now. You moved from about 2,070 crores of revenue to almost 3,030 crores in FY24. When does this 3,030 become, say, 4,000 or above 4,000? Give us a top line number that you'll do this year and that you'll target next year.
So, as I said, you've seen our growth report before also. We are on the same track, and we'll be trying a level base to achieve what you said. You've seen a growth. We have grown by 47%. And this year also, achieving the target is never a difficulty for Ceigall, because, our execution is the main USP. We've been completing our projects before time. In last quarter, we have received one bonus also, because we completed our first ham project 8 months ahead of schedule. And we got 15.7 crore as a bonus in that project. And that was in the first quarter itself. So going forward, revenue will never be a challenge for Ceigall. That has been proved and shown before also. And the numbers which you're saying is achievable. That's not a problem. Thank you.
Given the execution. So what is the target that you have in mind for FY25 revenues? A number. So
we are a conservative company. We always tell less numbers and we achieve more.
So give us the less number.
It will be somewhere close to. Okay. So what we have done last year, it will be more than 15% more than that. So going forward, these are conservative numbers. Thank you.
Sure. What is the July order book? We have the number as of June, 9,400 crore rupees. What's the updated number given the order wins that you've had? And also, what will be your debt post the repayment from the money that you've raised via from the IPO?
So debt will be negligible, because you can say almost 62% of the debt is going to be paid with this money coming from the IPO. And it'll be one of the best debt equity ratio in the market in infra sector in the listing space. So the debt will be negligible, and we will be paying off about 414 crores. And the rest is a BG limit. BG, every infra company requires it for, performing. We have to give a performance bank guarantees and bid securities. So, company is cash rich. That's not a problem. Order book value, we had about 9,400 crore before. We have just got two more projects. We are L1. So the formal letter of award to be received by both the departments. One is the tender by Delhi Metro. It's in Bhubaneswar for 899 crores. And we were about 3.4% above the DMRC rate. So I think we are expecting that LOA very soon. And the difference of L1 and L2 was hardly 11 crores. So the new state is added. That's Odisha. And the second project is a little under 200 crores. That's development of a bus terminal in Kanpur. Again, LOA is waited, but we are L1 in both the projects. Thank you.
But you mentioned that. So as of now, the order book is still 9,400.
10,500 crores.
10,500 is the updated order book position. Okay. With these two.
No. So we don't update till the time we receive a LOA.
Right.
Otherwise, if you want to ask me, 899 crores, we at L1 in one tender and less than 200 crores in second tender. So if you total it, will be more than 10,500 crores. Thank you.
Got it. So once you actually officially get these two in the bag as well, then your order book will be around 10,500 crores. Got that? Thank you very much. Good talking to you, and we look forward to more conversations ahead. Well, that is the new listing of the day.
Thank you for having me once more.
Thank you. Ceigall India, the new listing of the day. We'll take a quick break. On the other side, another corporate conversation. Aadhar Housing is the next company in focus. Came out with numbers. We will get chatting with the management in just a bit.